Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to give you an introduction about AlignBooks. AlignBooks is a complete ERP system where every business can maintain their sales, purchases, finance, inventory, employee records, production, asset management, and reporting. The vision of AlignBooks is to make the most of technology to empower MSMEs with enhanced efficiency and productivity, ultimately improving the quality of lives. AlignBooks can be accessed anytime, anywhere. We can use it from any device. It's always secure, with automatic backups and updates. There is no hardware dependency. We have a multi-user interface available across desktop, browser, and mobile applications. To use AlignBooks, no installation is required. From a security perspective, we have two-level authentication, where users can log in using their user ID and password. Along with this, we can also enable OTP authentication so that, without OTP, no one can access your books of accounts. If I talk about the features in the module, AlignBooks offers a maker-checker concept, like an approval mechanism. AlignBooks also provides user access privileges, supports multi-currency, and multi-location operations. The provision for handling multiple currencies is available with us. Dashboard and MIS reporting, email, SMS, and WhatsApp notifications, user-defined fields, and attribute provisions are also available. We can import masters and transactions via Excel. We can also track our sales using salesman and agent-based tracking. If I talk about the modules, we have a complete cycle of sales and billing, a procurement module, a finance module, a material management module, and a point of sale for retail businesses. We also have an option for job work production. We can manage our employees with the help of the payroll module. We can also track our assets using AlignBooks. Along with this, we can also create a workflow where we can track every transaction. So, we have a complete workflow for procurement and a complete O2C workflow. Whenever we talk about the procurement process workflow, we start with vendor onboarding. A request can be raised, or the user can raise a requisition. We can raise a purchase order PO to the vendor. We can create a workflow for GRN, Goods Receipt Note, and against the GRN, either we can return the goods to the vendor, or we can convert that GRN into a purchase bill. Then we can also create financial debit notes or credit notes. Accordingly, we can make payments to the vendors. The same process applies to the sales workflow, where we start with customer onboarding. We can generate an estimate and share it with the customer. We can then generate a sales order. Against that order, we can create a dispatch, and from that dispatch, we can generate the invoice. After invoicing, we can receive the payments. We can also handle sales returns, so this is the complete workflow of sales. Along with this, we also have a material management workflow where we can issue materials, receive materials, manage stock, and perform stock adjustments. Additionally, we can request a product from one location and transfer or issue the goods against that request. Once issued, the receiving location can acknowledge receipt of the particular product. We also support job work outward and job work inward flows. In job work inward, we receive goods for job work, and after completing the job work, we issue them back, either raising a sales invoice or receiving a purchase invoice. Similarly, in job work outward, we issue the product for job work, receive the finished product after completion, and then raise the invoice accordingly. Along with this, AlignBooks also supports multi-language capability, multi-user access, multi-currency support, multi-company setup, and the ability to create multiple financial years. The multi-location concept is also available. You can also create multiple document series for each transaction, whether it's a sales invoice, purchase invoice, or any other document. We also support a multiple warehouse concept. Now, if I talk about advanced inventory features, we have a hierarchical group of items where you can create multiple groups, define categories, and set up product attributes. For example, in the garment industry, we often require color, size, and brand attributes. Additionally, we support sub-detail attributes to avoid creating a large number of separate product masters. With the help of product attributes, you can manage your inventory more efficiently. We also support interlocation movement. You can generate barcodes and make invoices using barcode scanning. Multiple warehouse support is available, along with real-time inventory valuation based on LIFO, weighted average, or FIFO methods. We also offer IME, or serial-based inventory tracking, HSN and SAC classification, job work inventory management, category-based pricing, a multi-unit concept, and the ability to manage minimum and reorder levels of products. Along with this, if I talk about the interactive dashboard, from the dashboard itself we can get a complete analysis of sales, purchases, receivables, the current status of cash and bank, the top 6 products sold, month-wise direct expenses, operational expenses, and cash inflow and outflow. We also have integrated banking. We can send payment reminders to customers. Payments can be processed in one go with the help of payables, such as payment dues. We also have dedicated dashboards for GST and TDS. Additionally, there is a dashboard for the maker-checker approval concept, and another one for auditors. So, this is the interactive dashboard where we can view a complete analysis of our business from a single place. If I talk about the maker-checker concept, for example, if one user creates a transaction, a senior user can be required to approve that particular transaction. This approval workflow can be easily managed within AlignBooks. Now, coming to compliance with GST and TDS, yes, we can submit our GSTR 1, 3B and perform 2A and 2B reconciliations directly from the software. We also have an integrated TDS application that allows direct filing of TDS returns. In addition, AlignBooks is compliant with e-way bills and e-invoicing. Without visiting the government website, we can generate e-way bills and e-invoices directly from the system. User roles and privileges can also be defined according to their position or department. We can manage menu-level rights, data access rights, and role creation. Along with this, we have an inbuilt employee module where we can configure the salary structure, manage leaves, expenses, and attendance. In AlignBooks, we offer 4 methods for marking attendance: manual entry, Excel import, biometric integration, and mobile application, where employees can mark their attendance directly from their mobile devices. Additionally, we have a timesheet mechanism integrated with the payroll process. We can also capture detailed profiles of employees, including their basic information, statutory details, and personal information such as emergency contact details, qualifications, and past experience. Yes, we also provide compliance reports, including ESI and PF reports, which are available within AlignBooks. If I talk about reporting and MIS reporting, we offer approximately 300+ reports. Default reports are available, and users can also create custom views based on their requirements. They can export data in the form of reports, master data, or transactions into Excel. All reports are also accessible on mobile. Additionally, we can customize reports as per customer needs. As AlignBooks operates in multiple countries, we also provide country-specific statutory reports. This is a one-stop solution for the MSME industry. We also offer various industry-specific templates, including for mobile stores, pharmacies, grocery stores, electronics, garment stores, books and stationery, hotels, job work and repairs, professional services, security services, travel and rental, trading businesses, manufacturing, retail counters, automobile, jewelry, optical, food and restaurants, retail chain stores, and project contract management. Yes, we also have a mobile application available on Android and iOS. This application is divided into 3 parts: employee, salesman, and management. The management can view complete reports and analytics from the mobile app. Employees can access employee-specific data such as timesheets, attendance, apply for leave, and raise expense claims. Apart from this, we also offer a dedicated mobile application for salesmen. A salesman can either be an internal employee or visit the market. Using the app, they can take orders, collect payments, raise purchase orders to vendors, or even make payments to vendors. And yes, we have seamless integration with ICICI Bank, Razorpay, Paytm, Express TDS, Amazon, Shopify, and GSTN. Additionally, we also integrate with OMS platforms like EasyCom.